Welcome to Petrosstone, export of premium sintered stone to USA.
Precision, the core of excellence. Elevating stone artistry across the world.
Here, you see the raw slabs of premium quality sintered stone, ready for processing. Next, the slabs undergo a meticulous polishing process, ensuring a smooth and luxurious finish. After polishing, the surface shines with a stunning, mirror-like reflection, enhancing the stone's natural beauty. Presenting the exquisite Infinity Azul sintered stone, a perfect blend of durability and elegance. This is the Onyx Bianco sintered stone, known for its sleek appearance and high-end appeal. Here is the Blue Agatha sintered stone, offering a unique and striking aesthetic for any interior design. The Crema Montana sintered stone brings warmth and sophistication with its soft, creamy tones. Introducing the Milano White sintered stone, a timeless choice for modern and classic interiors. Each slab is carefully wrapped in cling film to ensure protection during transportation. Next, the stones are securely packaged using premium materials to avoid any damage in transit. All packages are labeled with essential details, ensuring smooth and efficient identification. We utilize secure pallet packaging to guarantee stability and safety during shipment. The packaged slabs are then skillfully loaded onto containers, ready for transport. Our sintered stone is shipped to the USA, ensuring timely and safe delivery. Finally, here is the stunning transformation after installation, where the true beauty of our sintered stone comes to life. Thanks for watching.